Good morning. It is officially January 1st, and for me that means detox, declutter. So I'm gonna bring you along on this journey. I'm gonna show you some of the progress I've already started. This is the remnants from last night. So I'm gonna start with cleaning the table off and removing it out of here, and I'll show you how far I've started so far. I didn't get far, but I did start the process of taking some things down, so I'll share that with you. So I hope this inspires and motivates someone to start, especially here for the new year. I want to say thank you all so much for an awesome 2017 and 2018. This is the mode I'm in at this point. Stay tuned and I will keep you updated. Officially in declutter takedown mode. I've removed my desk from this area. I have cleaned this case out and put all the content in this white crate here. I'm taking everything down and packing up all of my supplies in acrylic bins, and I'm going to store them away until it's time. I need to still be able to get to them, but I just put them in this little bin. You know, the kids need supplies for the last couple of months of school. But yes, I'm gonna remove this cabinet here, and you see I just gotta finish cleaning up. I'm gonna put this chair up in April's room. I moved my coffee table. I'm gonna clean off the content. I removed this. This was what was laying here with all the pillows. I'm not quite sure what I'm about to do with it. But yes, I am officially removing things. My gallery wall is about to come down. Okay, so this is how much I've gotten done so far. These are the cabinets that I stored here. This one used to be a 2-level bookshelf that I had cut out and like rigged it so my printer could sit here. But yeah, I took it apart, and of course that's gonna be in the trash now. And look, I have so much open space. Here, I still need to come over here. I've been putting decor there and declutter. This is how it's looking so far. But my coffee table is there. And this is what I have going on so far. This with you. How far I've gotten, but this is just all of my stationery stuff that I need to go through, sort out, get rid of, and then whatever cannot fit in this little bin here is going to be trash. Okay, you guys, I'm back. It's been a couple of hours. I'm going to show you the progress I've made thus far. I just had a surreal moment. My gallery wall is now down. I'm a little heartbroken, I'm not going to even lie. A little devastated. I miss it a lot, but you know, I have to get myself ready to, you know, pack up, because I'm not gonna even tell you the move here. The move coming to Germany was a little bit hectic, so I am refusing to move like that. So I am getting a complete jump start. But with all that being said, I am going to turn the camera and show you what I've made, what progress I've made thus far, like I just said. And I'm probably not going to be able to finish completely tonight because we just got off the road coming back from Berlin yesterday on New Year's Eve. All the stores were closed, and I have only been in clean declutter mode right now today. So I have to go get some bins to store a lot of these items. But here is my results from my desk area. here. Let's go closer. So I have to find some type of storage solution. I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to keep all these frames. I do have some really cute ones. I must say, this one I did myself. This is a complete DIY, and this is my favorite out of all, I believe. I just took some scrapbook paper, and then this is a quote on top of the scrapbook paper, and then I just put the stones to outline the word love. This is probably my favorite. And then I love my family. We were up very high on a bridge. We were really high up, and I just love the frame. So I mean, I did have some type of attachments. I love this frame right here. That's just a sticker with scrapbook paper on it, but look at the frame, it's so beautiful. But yeah, I definitely will in the future make a another gallery wall, maybe when I have my own location for like a desk. And then again, I have 2 of these. Absolutely love it. You see, I love the word love, so I guess that's what the attachments are to it. And then hearts. So yeah, this is what the living room is looking like, a complete wreck. I moved the couches out the way just so I can have space. I moved the coffee table, and like I said, we've been traveling, so I am getting kind of late start. I wanted this completely done by today. Today is the 1st, and I've gotten a lot accomplished actually. These are all the shelves right here that came out of my living room. This one held all of my supplies. That little thing I had makeshift held my printer. This is just stuff I'm waiting. I'm gonna get clear bins. I just stuck like decor and stuff in there. I haven't taken this stuff down yet because like I said, I want to have somewhere to store it. Like I told you, we just came in off the road yesterday, so I just have to make that stuff up because it was New Year's Eve. Came in, got settled in, had a little house party with my family, and then today I actually kind of sorted some of this stuff yesterday, so I didn't even take my luggage and stuff up, so I have to do that. I brought this box down because I was thinking it may be just big enough. Let me show you. Maybe that garland right here can possibly fit in there, so I wouldn't have to buy too many clear bins tomorrow at the PX. So I'm gonna see if I can fit it in there. If not, this box is really big, so I don't know, maybe I'll save it and put some of my personal items in there. But I thought that was a big size box that I could probably use something space. As you see, I have been taking stuff down. So right now I'm just gonna tackle this little pile of miscellaneous mess here. I'm gonna get the couch moved back correctly, and then take some of this table decor that was stored. Some of this stuff was from off my desk. Some of that stuff was from off the coffee table. As you see, I told you declutter mode is where I'm at. I'm not even playing. It's January 1st, and when I finally eliminate something, I'm not going back down this route again. This is definitely has been a lesson that I had to learn on my own, because I'm not gonna even lie, when I was growing up, my mom and them, they collected everything. So I kind of had that in my soul around me all the time. Like they just collected, and then just had stuff. Always had just a whole abundance, tons of stuff for no reason. And I became like that, but I am determined that I am not going to be a product of my environment. So from this day forward, I have learned so much being over here in Germany. I just have to teach myself less is more. So that's where I'm at right now. Okay, so this is how much I've gotten accomplished. As you see, I still have my couches pulled out. This bag is to be donated, so I need to add it to the pile. Yes, I feel so much better. You see that little shelf that used to be there, I removed that. It's gone, so I'm not going to put it back over there. I just need to find this is what I still have going on. You see I don't have my tables back in here. This stuff, I need to figure out what I'm actually going to do with these two stands here. Again, that's what I need to go tomorrow to the PX, grab some storage bins. These items right here, or to leave. These are garbage, the trash. Then that's just our blankets from out the living room, and still my dining. You see all the chairs and stuff are sitting out there. So yeah, and then this, I'm loving it. So it's not gonna have too much going on down here when it's finished. This will come down definitely tomorrow. My banister will definitely come down tomorrow. And I think that's it for tonight. Okay, you guys, this is my living room. This is what I got accomplished so far. Over here in this corner is just what I was saved for my desk. I have a little IKEA cart I'm gonna bring down and just put all this stuff on there. That's up in my closet, glam room, or whatever. So I'm just gonna take it out of here and just put it on the cart until further notice, because I will need it. As you see, my vision board, I'll be going in there and creating a new one, so I need some of those supplies. I still just have a little bit of knickknacks and decor that I need to actually get put up, like my brooch bouquet and all that. It's down on the floor. This is what that white stand right here was covering. The router and the phone, so I need to figure out how I'm going to cover that, because it looks so crazy just sitting there. And no more gallery wall, so sad. No more desk area. I've taken it all down. I wasn't really using it anyway, so I gave the desk to my daughter, and my clear acrylic chair, and my gallery wall is packed up. This box is where I put it at until I'm able to get a clear tote. Let me show you. So this is my coffee table and some of the decor. So I'm gonna get some clear bins and store most of this stuff away. Here again is, in here is, you know, all the things I had on my wall. Yeah, and then I just went on and stored these plates in there. But yeah, that's pretty much what's in here. Is all of my picture frames for now. And then, you know, here I need to go ahead and get like that lantern stored. I need to take the stuff out of there. So this is pretty much a whole bunch of stuff on here that I'm just waiting to get bins tomorrow for, and then I'll get it taken down and stored and put my coffee table back. I'm loving no table right here. If I could find some fold up, what do you call those, little dinner trays, I will use that and not put that table back, because that table take up so much real estate. It's crazy. I really thought about moving this mirrored stand, but I'm gonna leave that there. But this is how it's coming along. Look at here. Looks so clean and good. More space, more space. Yep, and then there is my printer. I have it sitting there because I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. It's really large and take up a lot of space. So I may think about getting a smaller printer and just getting rid of that one. And then that bag that's behind it is clothes that I need to get rid of as well. I just don't like to throw good clothes away, so I really want to pass this along. And then I'm gonna box up these pillows. I'll probably keep the snowflake one out. I'm not sure, because pillows don't do good in here in the living room. We don't really have space. Anyways, with all that being said, it came a long way. I'm so happy with my first day. January 1 is down and completed. I'm so happy about it. It's so much different now. Look over there at that wall. No more gallery wall or desk. So now I have to figure out how to hide those cords as well. Yep. Alrighty, thank you guys so much for watching and rocking out with me as I declutter this home little by little. I will have it done. I'm so excited. I will finish this little bit up tomorrow. Until the next time, thank you guys once again, and I will speak to you guys very, very soon. Bye for now.
Hello. Cheerio, mates.
I've been cleaning all day.
I see that.
You can see the floor now.
Yes.